morning, students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine at your home. Today, I am going to start my writing session, and the first of all, my topic is how to write an application. You know, writing application is an art. It is the mirror of person. What you know about a particular subject and how you express your feelings for a particular purpose. This is defined by an application. So, I am teaching today how to write an application as you are watching the written on the black and on the whiteboard. So first of all, for writing a suitable application, you must remember a true format of an application. So, what is the purpose of writing an application? It is a task, right? If we want to get permission from our teachers, from our principals, from our district officers, and if we only tell them to fulfill my work, it may be they may forget your purpose. But when you write your application and give you for your work, for the result of your work, it may be fulfilled. So, to fulfill this purpose, we write an application. My question is, why is an application very important? You know, without application, we cannot express our point of views, what we want from our school, from our persons, etc. So, to complete our task, to complete our purpose, we write an application. So my first step is how to write an application, and for writing a suitable application, you must remember a true format of the application. So first of all, I will describe my format of the application. So format of an application. Format of an application. Okay. First step is you should remember the step, and through this step you can write your application very smooth. Sender's address. Sender's address. First step is sender's address. Sender's address means you are the writer, you are the sender, right? And you are sending your application to those persons to whom you want to fulfill your work. So, second is date of issue. Date of issue. Date of issue means on which date you write your application. Your date must be mentioned in your application secondary, and the date must be written in according to new format. And like the date of the day is 21st May, 2020. This is the new format in new application format, right? Third is address of the addressee. Address of the addressee. 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 Addressee means those persons to whom you are writing. That means principal sir. That means that those officers to whom you are writing. So this is called address of the addressee. Fourth is subject. A subject must be mentioned because why? You are writing your application This is your subject. So subject. Fifth is salutation. Salutation. Sixth is body of the application. Body of the application. And last is your signature. Signature. Okay. So this is the format of an application. Suppose you have to go to visit Nainital with your parents. You want to leave for 5 days for spending your time with your parents, and your class is in a admitting process. So you must write an application for getting permission from your principal sir. I give you an example. You have to spend your days with your parents in Goa. Okay, write an application to your principal sir, to your school principal requesting him or her. Principal may be male or female, so him or her, for 5 days leave. For 5 days leave. Okay, this is your topic, this is your matter, and how you write. So I am writing this application as an example. Okay, so first of all I will use my format, and the first step is sender's address. Suppose I am ABC, you, so Gyan Bharti Public School, Morson. Okay, Runi Saidpur. Right? One thing you should remember, your copy must be a margin, and your all writing part must be written as a left side, not on right side. So I have started from my left side, Gyan Bharti Public School, Morson, Unisapur. This is the sender's address. I am the sender, right? So my address is Gyan Bharti Public School, Morson, Unisapur, and the date of the day is 21st May, 2020. After a slight place, okay, 21st May 2020. Then address of the addressee. Third step is principal to whom you are writing, GBPS, the place, the principal lives here, and the principal of this school is Gyan Bharti Public School. This is the address of the addressee to whom you are writing your application. So GBPS, and then your subject is leave for 5 days. Leave for 5 days. Okay. Next, salutation. Sir, this is comma. Okay. With due respect, I have to say that I have to say that my parents have planned to visit Goa. They have suggested me to come with them. Okay? So I also want to go with them. Okay, this is the one part, and the next, it means last part is, from here I have changed my paragraph. Therefore I request you to grant me leave for 5 days. For 5 days, I apostrophe double L I be obliged to you for your kind action. Okay, thanking you. Yours obediently, name, standard, it means class, and roll number. So in this way you can write out application. Thank you.